Welcome back. The tendering work concerning the infrastructure for Lusophonia Games will be done in the next month. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar assured the House that the international quality facilities for next year's games will be ready by August 2013. The Lusophonia Games will be held in Goa in November next year. Infrastructure for the Lusophonia Games will be concentrated in 4 areas of Goa, and once these facilities are ready, they will be used for National Games of 2014 along with the new infrastructure that will be decided upon later.
Which were the venues finalized earlier and where in what disciplines? म्हणजे खंय खंय करपाचें ठरयल्लें आनी खंयचे डिसिप्लीन म्हणजे थोडे आयडेंटिफाय केल्ले न्ही तुम्ही सगळे चेंज करतात काय थोडे चेंज करतात हाजेर मातशें म्हाका सांग.
स्पीकर सर की आमी लुसोफोनियाच्या गेमी संदर्भात जे स्पॉट आमी आयडेंटिफाय केल्ले आसा ते पॅडिंग ग्राउंड एक फातोर्डा स्टेडियम दुसरो आमचे जीएमसीच्या समोर आणि चवथो युनिव्हर्सिटी.
नॅशनल गेम्सा खातीर जे पयलींचे थोडे आयडेंटिफाय करून आमी थोडे केल्ले पळय तेन्ना तातूंतले कितें आनी तुमी चेंज करता काय ते चडशे दवरतले अशें म्हणटा.
लुसोफोनिया गेम ही नोव्हेंबर 13 घेतली त्यामुळे हेच इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जे आसा ते आमकां नॅशनल गेमी खातीर मेळटले. त्यामुळे फाटी सरकारान जवळ 13 स्पॉट अशे आयडेंटिफाय केल्ले की तातूंत आत्ता सद्याक आमी लुसोफोनिया गेमीचे कॉन्सन्ट्रेट केल्ले आसा. त्यामुळे चार ग्राउंड हे पयलीं डेव्हलप करतले आणि ताजे नंतर आमी फुडल्या 1-5 दिसां डिसिजन घेतले की जे फाटले गव्हर्मेंटान घेतले आसा ते सगळे तशाचे जातले अशें ना पूण त्यात एक रिव्हिजन फाटल्या 5 दिसांनी आमी करतले.
जे फाटल्या डिपार्टमेंटान कन्सल्टंट सारखे अपॉइंटूच करूंक ना ताजो परिणाम असो की आता दे आर स्टार्टिंग विथ द प्रोसेस ऑफ अपॉइंटिंग कन्सल्टंट. तो बेगीतल्या बेगीन करून ऑक्टोबर म्हयन्यान काम चालू करूंक जाय ताका म्हणून ताणें फूल कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन हे 4 स्पॉटांचेर दवरल्या. बाकीचे पळय राजेंद्र प्रसाद स्टेडियम बी विशय आसा पळय तो तसोच सध्या इट हॅज बीन जस्ट केप्ट ऑन होल्ड. वी आर गोईंग थ्रू अ फूल ट्रान्सपरंट मेथड आनी ताजो परिणाम म्हणून नाही नोव्हेंबरान जर गेम आसत जाल्यार वी वील सी दॅट बाय ऑगस्ट 2030 फॅसिलिटीज आर रेडी ऑफ इंटरनॅशनल क्वॉलिटी फॉलोईंग ऑल द प्रोसिजर्स. आणि हे करता आसतना हांव आतांच सांगता ऑलरेडी द budget has come down by almost some 60-70 crores. What is required? Unnecessary काही गजाली चालू आशिल्ल्यो त्यो आमी कर्टेल केल्या. त्यामुळे म्हाका दिसता बाय ऑगस्ट यू शुड बी एबल टू स्टार्ट ऑन टेंडरिंग द वर्क्स. ते जाले की मागीर ह्यो बाकीच्यो गजाली.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The Goa Cricket Association, headed by Vinod Phadke, has decided to revamp the GPL and restrict it to 2020 tournament while increasing its entertainment value. The new managing committee for 2012-15 term is also keen to find the land for its international stadium in 3 months. The first meeting of the newly elected committee was held on Tuesday and its office bearers were appointed with specific roles. The managing committee comprises Vice President Dr. Shekhar Salkar, who has been given the task of finding land for stadium. Important roles have been given to Secretary Chetan Desai to take care of Ranji and administration, and life member Prabjit Sandhu, who has to take care of new look T20 GPL. President Vinod Phadke briefed the media about the plans. Former Ranji star Sudhin Kamath is in charge of under-19 cricket.
This will be only T20. ना आधी कितें आणले आमचे 3 days सुद्धा GPLाच्यो टिमीत खेळटाल्यो if you have seen, but now they won't pay those 3 days. This will be entertainment as well the game. We don't want any under-19 players to play for this T20. No, they won't be allowed to play for this T20. Even we would like to bring some foreign teams, maybe 1 or 2 if possible. Dr. Shekhar Sarkar, our first Vice President, will go after international stadium. It will be his responsibility to see that he acquires some other land or he buys some other land as early as possible, hopefully within next 3 months. One is there in Kamurlim. Then one land is there in Taligaon somewhere. Yeah, that doctor has mentioned me. But at the end, it will be finalized in the managing committee.
Right now, whatever Ranji we have, I am not aware of it, what is there in stock for us, but we will try to get the best of the team and motivate those boys in a very short period of time to see that we achieve good results.
Will Vivek Wangar be the coach and will you get outside?
That leaves to the managing committee. This is the first meeting that I am sitting here with.
The president also admitted that an internal committee has to go through alleged misdeeds of the past regime, including financial and developmental aspect of the Porwari Academy project. Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Tulsidas Chari. The port city came alive on Tuesday to celebrate the annual Damodar Bhajani Saptah. 6 different groups accompanied by Dindi troops participate in the Saptah. The big fair in the Vasco city is the major attraction of the festival. Here are some moments captured by Surendra. If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.